the linguistic magician. Have you ever found yourself tangled in the web of should? Do you ever wonder if you're using should correctly, or are you left with lingering doubts every time you type it out? How many times have you asked yourself, should I use should here? Fear not, we're going to shine a spotlight on should. Let's dive into the captivating realm of should. First up, we have should. In its original form, it's like your friendly neighborhood superhero. It comes in various forms, and each one has its own superpower. We use it when giving advice or suggesting the right thing to do. Imagine you're at a restaurant, and your friend can't decide what to order. You'd say, you should try the pizza, it's amazing. Or you simply say it's a common modal verb used for suggesting what someone ought to do. You can use should in conversation to give advice, express opinions, or to make recommendations. For example, you should study for the exam if you want to do well. I think you should visit that museum while you're in town. He should visit Paris, it's a city of dreams. I should call my mom to catch up. You should eat your veggies for a balanced diet. Now, meet the anti-hero, shouldn't. It's all about telling someone what they shouldn't do. Certainly the form shouldn't and is used to express negative advice, recommendation, or prohibition. It generally signals that an action is discouraged, undesirable, or not permitted. Picture this: your friend is about to jump off a cliff into a pond. You'd yell, you shouldn't do that, it's dangerous. You shouldn't smoke, it's bad for your health. He shouldn't be late for the important meeting. You shouldn't have spoken to her like that, it was rude. She shouldn't trust strangers, safety first. You shouldn't invest all your money in a single stock, it's too risky. Time to introduce our time traveler, should have. This form lets you express regret about past actions. Should have is used to express various ideas related to past actions or events, typically indicating an expectation or suggestion regarding something that occurred before the moment of speaking. It is used to convey different shades of meaning depending on the context. You forgot your friend's birthday. Oops. You'd say, I should have remembered to buy a gift. You can use should have like these: I should have called my friend on their birthday. I feel bad for forgetting. I should have studied harder for that exam. They should have listened to their instincts. We should have booked our flight tickets in advance. Now they're so expensive. He should have brought an extra phone charger. Now his phone is dead. Now, let's meet the regretful time traveler, shouldn't have. This one's all about expressing regret for something you shouldn't have done in the past. Simply you say shouldn't have is used in English to express regret, criticism, or a sense of something being a mistake regarding a past action or event. It implies that someone did something in the past that they ideally should not have done. Suppose you ate that whole tub of ice cream last night, and now you regret it. You'd say, I shouldn't have eaten all that ice cream. Learn from more examples. They shouldn't have ignored their friend's advice. He shouldn't have skipped his workout. Now he feels guilty. They shouldn't gossip about others. It's not kind. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. It's not healthy. He shouldn't skip regular exercise. It's essential for staying healthy. Say hello to the optimistic dreamer, should be. It's all about expressing what's expected or hoped for in the present or future. Or you say should be is used to express recommendations, expectations, or suggestions regarding the present or future state of something or someone. It implies that something is considered desirable or appropriate based on certain criteria or standards. Imagine you're planning a beach vacation. You'd say, the weather should be perfect for sunbathing. Learn from these more. Our hard work should be recognized by the boss. Love should be unconditional and kind. The package should be delivered by noon today. Your phone should be fully charged by morning. This recipe should be easy to follow. Let's give it a try. And here's the pessimistic shadow, shouldn't be. It's all about expressing what's not expected or desired in the present or future. Shouldn't be is used in English to express disapproval, disagreement, or a sense that something is not as it should be in the present. It implies that a particular situation or condition is undesirable or contrary to what is expected or considered appropriate. Imagine you're having an outdoor picnic, and it starts pouring rain. You'd say, "This weather shouldn't be this bad." Learn more from these. He shouldn't be late for work again. He needs to set his alarm earlier. The price shouldn't be so high. It was cheaper last week. The door shouldn't be unlocked. I thought I locked it. She shouldn't be upset. It was just a misunderstanding. You shouldn't be so hard on yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. Well, there you have it. Now, it's your turn to dive into the world of should. Try using different forms of should in your everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, enlightening, or entertaining, do us a favor, hit that like button, share it with your word-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more language fun.